welcome back to episode 5 of Scratch Card Battle. Today I have Dice Towers, Bingo Crazy, and a Top Dog.
I've got £100,000 a month for a year, the lucky bonus, and the gold sevens.
Right, let's make it 4-1 to me. Right, Top Dog. Let's see if I can find Luna. That's not Luna. Who's that? Not Luna. Otis. Round. Oh, that looked a little bit like Luna for a second. No. No. Last chance.
No.
No wins on Top Dog. Right, Bingo Crazy. What have I got? Oh, well, that's not where the numbers are. 45, 32, 21, 28, 5. So 45, 45, 45. They won't be down here then, will they? If we've already got it. They only show up once, don't they?
I don't know. I think one. You might get one or two.
Oh, okay. Keep an eye out then. 32. 21. 28. And 5. See a 5 anywhere?
No.
No. $65. Nope. 51. 19. Nope. I don't think so.
Nope.
29.
Down the bottom.
Yeah, 29. 42. There it is. That's a free one next to it. 48. Don't. 48. 30. 30. Have I got a 30?
Yep. Down the bottom.
Down the bottom, apparently. Yep. Did I finish that row?
No, you did.
No,
30.
I did 30 and then to the next row. 6. Is there a 6? Yeah. 7. There's a 7. And is that 8? 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Underneath it. We've nearly got a line. We've got to get 2 lines on that top one, haven't we?
Yeah.
12. 12. No. 16. 35. No. 36. I'm sure I just saw 36. Yes, I did. And 1. No. 70. 70. Can you see a 70? No. 73. Yep. 27. There is not a 27. I don't think. No. 25. No, 25. 69. Oh, that's a line.
I think you always get one line on this one.
Yeah. 44. No. Unless I'm being blind. No. 71. Yeah. 58. 58 down there. Where was I? 39, 39, 39, 39. There's a 39. 53. No. 4. 24. Yep, and the bottom. So, what am I doing? 38. 38, 38, 38, 38. On the bottom again. 20. And a nice free one after it. And 9. 9's there. Look, 2 more rows. 66. There's no 66. 61. There's no 61.
There is.
Is there a 61? Yeah, there's a 61 right there. I knew that. 14. There's no 14. 46. And 52. No, the last row?
52's here.
Oh yeah, I knew that. Okay. 41. No. 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 26. No. 50. 74. Oh.
Oh, you just need a 60 on that one.
I'm sure it's... No, I didn't have a 60. And 72. That is no wins, is there?
No.
Oh, oh, that's multiplier box, not a bonus. Okay, no wins on that one. Damn. All right, £5 card. Dice Towers. Let's do the bonus game to start with. Cross fingers, come on. No. Right. Winning numbers. 22, 19, 38. 33, 9. 13, 35, 8. 37, 7. 21, 28. 31, 39, 37, 8. 35, 34, 14, 31, 40, 27, 12. No wins on the top half of the card. It's going to be a double blank, 2 episodes in a row. Unless I can get a win here. Right, bottom half of the card. Match 2 identical dice to win. 5, 6, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 3.
Oh,
Yes, come
No.
on, back in the game. Right, roll. If your dice is greater than their
no,
dice.
I'm not going to get one.
3,
No.
5, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5. So I have won
I reckon
finally.
£5, I reckon.
So this will
I hope.
this will be better than nothing. £5. That's my money back on that card at least. A drought of wins comes to an end.
Right, so my first card is the £100,000 a month for a year. So I need to match my 2 symbols. I've got a necklace and a money tree. Nugget, car, motorbike, chest, vault, diamond, pot of gold, stack, plain, rings. No, nothing on that. Match 2 identical symbols. What have I got here? Limo, mansion, mobile, sun. Mine needs to weigh more. 23, 24, 16, 19. Match 2 numbers tell up to 10. 9, 4, 6, 3. So nothing on my £5 card. We'll see. So onto my lucky bonus. My winning symbol is a rainbow. Dice, gold, money bag, pearls. Dice, roll, ring, pearls. Oh, I got a horseshoe.
Was that a fiver?
No,
3
3
quid.
quid. Confusing me then.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got two
Fiver.
horseshoes. 3 horseshoes. Nugget. Star. Yeah, 3 horseshoes is a tenner.
And your bonus.
Yeah, I know. I'm just savouring the moment.
Yeah.
The fact I've beaten you again. Key. No, nothing there. Oh, I'm happy with that. That's a good one. So, on to my last card. Gold 7s. Crown. Nugget. Is that a house? Yeah.
It's not 7, is it?
No, but I wondered what the symbol was. I couldn't quite see it. Do my numbers add up to 7? 2, 4. No, 5 and 4 even. 6, 3. 1, 2. 6, 4. 6, 5. Can I find a lucky 7? Nope, no win on that card, but I'm quite happy with my lucky bonus win.
So the scores then, that is another win for Sarah.
Yes,
So
I'm on a comeback.
It is now 3-2 to me. I ended up £5 down and Sarah's broke even.
Yeah.
And that means overall I am now £9 down.
And I'm £4
And
down.
Sarah is £4 down still. So there we go. Right, tune in next time for another episode. And
Please like and subscribe if anyone's watching.
yeah, and hopefully I will start to win again.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully I will. Right, bye. Bye.
Bye.